this video is a test. What type of test? You will see within 2 minutes. Engine temp 180, 10 pounds of oil pressure at 900 RPM, 7 pounds of fuel. Throughout this test, I will be manually shifting. RPM shifts manually. Again, I just wanted to see something. Someone caught a bad one. Glad this test was conducted. I got the idea. Then I spoke to my boy yesterday who installed something for me. Mind you, I watched him, I learned. Charest, he did exactly what a professional installer would have done. The quality of components he used, his own materials, etc. to wire in my amplifier. First gear, manually shifting. 180 is the engine temperature, and I'm going in. Now that was ignition right there.